Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag question for practice part 9. S.S.C. Dinajpur Board 2017. Time and tide wait for none, time and tide wait for none, do they? Unfortunately many of us waste our time, unfortunately many of us waste our time, don't we? None can prosper in life without utilizing time properly, none can prosper in life without utilizing time properly, can they? So everybody should realize this truth, so everybody should realize this truth, shouldn't they? Let's make the best use of time, let's make the best use of time, shall we? Like, share and subscribe please. Learn with Jahangir sir. Thanks for watching, till today. Jahangir Alam teacher, UCEP Bangladesh.